Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing, trying on, applying is the same thing, the new Colourpop times Bretman Rock collab. It's kind of like two collabs in one. Let me show you. So this is a PR box. You have the Wet collection. She is wet. Ooh, that didn't sound too good. And then you have the Lit collection. I think this is super cute. For those of you guys who do not know Bretman, he is an influencer, a comedian. Yeah, he's an influencer, he's a comedian, he's a beauty guru. All right, so the Wet collection comes with the eyeshadow palette. You get a Super Shock blush, a loose glitter, which is only for the body. Because it says it's a body glitter, I'm assuming you can't use it on the eyes, but you know, do what you want when you're at home. You get a satin lipstick, a gloss, and my favorite lip liner, BFF3, which is like the perfect nude brown for me. And then you have the Lit collection. So this is more of a warm palette. Let me show you. It's like a orangey cranberry palette, super cute. This is more of like an everyday type of palette, whereas the Wet is a little bit more bold and dramatic. But this also comes with a Super Shock blush, a loose glitter, this one's a little bit more red, and a satin lipstick, a gloss, and a lip liner. I like the idea of two collections in one. It's kind of like, are you wet or are you lit? You know, in this video you'll see me apply the entire collection. I think I'm going to use a little bit of Wet, a little bit of Lit, and I'll apply both the, or not both, there's four of them, all of the lip colors so you guys can kind of check it out. So without further ado, let's get started. I kind of feel like nothing looks crazier than having only foundation and brows on. You know what I mean? Like, where are my eyes at? Where they at? So I am gonna start with the Wet palette. Ooh, I just love Iwa Beach. I don't know how to say this, but I feel like this is gonna be like a bomb crease color. So we're gonna start with that in the crease. I do wish that there was a mirror on here, but it's okay. We can go let it slide because it's Colourpop. I'm just gonna go back and forth in the crease. Nice little transition shade up in here. I love a good transition color. Okay, like every palette needs a transition color. That's how I feel about it. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Lit palette. I'm gonna apply light in the crease. I never go like super bold in the crease, so we gonna see. This is the perfect color for me because I say like all the time. like I feel like it's a West Coast thing. I can't help it, you guys. All right, next I'm gonna go in with Mercy, and I'm gonna put this on the outside and the inside of the lid. I think I'm gonna do like a halo eye. Yeah, I think that's what we gonna do. So Mercy, which is like a really pretty cranberry color. Ooh, look at that. This one swatched so well. Look at that. Ooh, yes. This definitely looks like fire. Ooh, look at those eyes. So you can see I kind of left like just a tiny little space in the center here because I'm gonna overlap batting this one right here just on the center of the lid. Oh, it's an iridescent. I did know it was kind of gold, but I forgot for a second. There it is. Oh yes. You know what? I kind of like how it looks like right here over the Mercy color. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of Mercy on the lid and then add more of the batting because I think it looks super cute on top of one another. Let's add more. Ooh, little halo eye, little something, something. All right, I'm gonna switch to a little pencil brush and I'm gonna add light under the lash line. Just gonna smudge it. I feel like I look like a flame or something. I'm really liking this color. Should we do a brown eye or a black eye? I like don't want to take away from what's happening on the lid here. Maybe I'll just do like a thin black line. No wing. I'm just lining with the Il Makiage liquid liner. This is my first time using it. Actually, not too bad though. While the liquid liner's still a little wet, I'm just gonna smudge the end of it real quick. Just so it looks like it's blended and it doesn't just like come to a stop. See? Looks so much better. All right, this is a Maybelline Snap Mascara. I'm just gonna do a really thin layer because I'm gonna put false lashes on. I feel like this look, these colors definitely need some falsies. Well, I guess like every look needs false lashes. That's just kind of how I feel about life, you know? Just throw false lashes on it. Nothing seems complete without false lashes, at least on my eyes, because my little struggle lashes on top need help. All right, I'm gonna finish off the eyes with Lila Lash from Lily Lash, a little wispiness. This is like a dramatic wispy lash. No, See? So much better. Ooh, I'm feeling this. These eyes are definitely season 10. All right, so what do we have next? Let's put on some blush. I feel like with this eye look, we should do, oh, she's blushing, because Stop It is a little bit more peachy. I mean, I could do either one. Yeah, let's do this one. It's a little bit brighter, which is kind of like making me a little nervous, but we gonna see. We gonna see. Ooh, just a little bit, you guys. Oh, this is pretty. So the Super Shocks are kind of tricky because when you use your finger, they feel creamy, but when you use a brush, they go on fine. Oh yeah. What you guys think? Should I highlight? Okay, I'm gonna highlight my nose just a little bit with my Boomin Highlight. Colourpop Boomin Highlight. Might as well use Colourpop since we're doing a Colourpop review. Oh yeah, just a little bit. I feel like highlight just makes everything better. Oh yeah, just a little bit. I'm not gonna highlight my cheeks, so I'm gonna leave them just like that because I kind of like how they look. Kind of cute. All right, so let's try on the lips. I want to try on both lip sets for you guys. So we're gonna start with the nude lips first, so you guys can see what they look like. I love BFF3 lip liner. This is the liner that comes in the set. It's the best nude ever. Okay, this is called She Cute, and this is a satin lip. This is kind of like a peachy nude. Oh, she real cute. I like this. Yep, she real cute. All right, I'm gonna finish off this look with, I don't even want to say this, kumquat. Why do I feel weird saying that? It looks kind of icy blue, but it kind of goes on sheer. This is a nice lip combo, guys. Yes, we like that a lot. I really like how my eyes look too. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much. You know when you're like, ooh, that's pretty, but then you put it on, you're like, ooh, you know, because I never do these bold pinks in the crease, but I'm like here for it. I like it a lot. All right, let's try on the darker lip. Okay, so this is Duke's lip liner and another ultra satin lip. This is Wig. Ooh. So this is like a deeper red. It's really pretty. Okay, so we like the lips a lot. I don't mind the lip with this eye. Typically, you guys know I'll like do one or the other, like nude or bright or nude, bright. Usually not both, but I'm not mad at it at all. So I'm gonna finish off the look with I See You, which is like a gold gloss. Honestly, I'm gonna wipe off this because I want to use this over like every color. Ooh, because I like this gloss a lot. I love like sheer gold, just glossy glosses that I could wear over nudes or over anything. Ooh, look at those lips. Ooh. All right, let me take off the headband so you guys can see the finished look. Ooh, she is reddy, honey. I'm liking this. What do you guys think? These lips are like season 10. Honey, okay? All right, so my first impressions of the collection, I thought it was cute. I loved the wet versus lit, the fire and ice concept. I was drawn to that. When I first saw the palettes, I was like, oh, this is cute. But after applying lit, okay, I really love how my eyes looked. I didn't think I was gonna like anything that bright in the crease. And I was like, oh, you know what? I'll probably have to add something darker, and I didn't. I love this look, you guys, and I don't even have highlighter on my cheeks, okay? Super shock. Okay, I see you. I see you. I'm loving it. The only products from the collection that I probably won't use are the glitters, like the body glitters. Maybe if it was like a gold, like something lighter maybe, but other than that, I really love the lips, eyeshadow palette. Congratulations, Bretman Rock and Colourpop. I feel like this was just a really cute, dope, lit collab. Thank you guys so much for watching this slay-torial. Don't forget to comment below, subscribe to my channel, and last but not least, strut and slay. Let me put some lotion on, how about that? That's a winner right there. It's cute. It's real cute. Both the wet collection, should I just start over again? Ooh, yes. Listen, she is ready, okay? Honey.